Here I have Honor X7, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the accessibility features, accessibility, TalkBack. So here you can enable it, tap OK, and after that the TalkBack tutorial starts, and it just talks non-stop.
Portrait. Welcome to TalkBack. Welcome to TalkBack, page 1 of 5. TalkBack is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen.
So,
You can turn TalkBack on or off by holding both
this is a quick introduction to what TalkBack is. What you should know, to operate your device in TalkBack, you have to firstly tap on any action, and then to confirm it you have to double tap on it. So for example, close, double tap. Disable TalkBack, double tap. Once again, OK, double tap. And that's how I can disable this feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.